Build a raised garden bed, an easy step-by-step tutorial. Find a nice sunny to partial shade location, create a plan, and take measurements. Once you purchase the supplies needed, lay out the measured wood in your designated location. Once you're certain as to where you want the location of the raised bed, start attaching the wood together with the drill and exterior screws. After assembling the beds, hop on in and begin to break up the soil. It's not absolutely necessary to do this step. However, I find this improves and aerates compacted soil. Also, by doing so, you can save patches of grass to relocate elsewhere. Next, I lay out the peat moss. Peat moss amends the soil and improves water retention by holding in moisture and releasing nutrients to the plant roots. Once the peat moss is raked in, I begin to add topsoil, which is an inexpensive way to cover a large area in new beds, and it provides a great base for growing herbs, flowers, and vegetables. I add in the mushroom compost and other soil amendments. You can even purchase a couple of bags of organic soil mixes that have ingredients like alfalfa meal, kelp, earthworm castings, and bone meal, which are all great additions to the soil. Compost reduces compaction and provides nutrients that will feed the plants for many months to come, and long-term sustainability can be achieved. Till the soil all together really well and rake out as evenly as possible. You can purchase starter plants for just about everything except root crops, and they give the garden a head start. Starts are typically several weeks old and are a quick way to harvest more quickly, and they've been nurtured through the delicate early stage of growth. When planting a start, dig a hole about pot-size deep and place gently into the ground, tucking it into the soil. Seeds are a wonderful option for planting, as you tend to receive multiple seeds per packet, and watching your seeds grow is the ultimate satisfaction. On the back of the seed packet, you will find a variety of information about growing, including seed depth and seed spacing. When planting seeds, you can use something as simple as a nearby stick as an easy and convenient way to dig a narrow path to drop the seeds in. I like to remove my gloves to feel the seeds in my bare hand. Once I plant the seeds, I tuck them in by patting the soil gently, tucking the seeds in to germinate. Watering activates the life of the seed and encourages it to sprout into new life towards the light. Seeds need moisture to germinate, so watering more often is necessary. Once plants mature more, you can water less. A good watering schedule to follow is every other day for about 15 minutes when experiencing a drought. When it does rain, you'll see the garden flourish naturally even more. In the future, you can begin to save your own seeds from your very own garden, keeping the cycle of your favorite plants. There's nothing quite like growing your own food, herbs, and medicine. Growing establishes a relationship to the plants, and through that relationship we connect deeper to our environment, the food tastes better, and we build sustainability within our community.